We finally got this beautiful, beautiful half rack, and it came in this huge box. Everything was nicely packed inside, and it took me a long time to unpack everything because each piece was packed separately. And look at how tight it is and numbered by step, which made everything easy. And here I cleared up the space and decided to follow the instructions. Cut the first step out, and then it had two wrenches for tightening in the bolts. Here's my one-handed work. Look at that. I'm a pro. And this part was quite easy, quite simple to do. The plate, then the bolt, and by the way, I have no idea how these things are called, so I guess everything will be a bolt here. A plate and a bolt. Okay, and here's my one-handed wrenching job. Look at that. Yes, I am a pro. It's in the other side. Here everything so far everything went smoothly. Vertical poles, everything was to size, because I read some reviews and they said that some things did not fit in, but here everything fit in quite well. Now where the fun starts. So the next set of bolts. Initially, I wanted to do the whole thing on my own, just to say, hey, a gal on her own could do this thing, which I probably would be able to do. You see, now I'm trying to hammer in the bolt. the bolt did not go in easily, so I had to wrench it in and I had to hammer it in with my rubber hammer. You see, it was quite tight, and yes, you see on the left one went in, and on the right I just couldn't do it, and I decided to call my muscle man, who also wasn't able to get this bolt in from this side. Yeah, we tried to elevate it, wrench it in, did not work, and then my smart man decided to try to get it in from the other side, which, as you can see, worked. Is this the other side? Yes, I think this is the other side. The bolts went in quite easily, and here they are upright. Here's the pull-up bar, and this part I could do on my own already, but I just decided to ask my husband to help a little bit. And here I am screwing everything in, of course using the wrenches on all of the bolts, and here it is right under the ceiling. Next step, these corner braces, nicely marked right and left, and here they are, and this is the other side. Nice, neatly packed bolts with plates, so 2 plates on each side. This did not go as smoothly as I wanted it to go, but it wasn't too bad because instead of using my muscle man, I just used my rubber hammer, and I did not have any more problems with this. Wrenches were used to tighten it all up, and look at this beauty. The next step was mounting this metal plate holder. Everything went smoothly here. Here's this thing for Olympic plates, but I am not going to use this one because we have 1-inch plates. Luckily for us, we are able to just keep it as it is, which makes me very, very happy, because this was the main thing of why we were considering not buying this, because of the storage, but now we can use it. Here's the spotter arm, and here's the other one, and it's all marked right side, so it's easy to know which way it goes, and it is installed very easily. And what's nice that it's actually gets screwed in, it's possible to tighten it in. And I have no idea what these things are, but they are included, so I attached them. If you know what they are, would you please let me know in the comments, because I would like to be able to utilize this rack fully. Okay, so this is the J hook, also marked right side. Once again, nice and easy, and it holds the barbell quite well. And this is the left side, goes on easily. Look at this beauty, I love it. You're able to attach this half rack or to bolt it into the floor, and it's in the front and in the back on both sides of the rack. And here it's loaded. Look at the number of plates these plate storage posts hold. So 4 25-pound 1-inch plates on each side and an extra 10-pound, which is nice. And the more loaded those posts are, the more stable the rack becomes. So right now with the 5 plates, it actually does not move this way. We have little kids running around this place, so these spotter arms are actually pointing the other way when we do not exercise, so that's very helpful. These are the attachments for exercise bands. The only pet peeve with this half rack I have is that the bar is too smooth, and it makes holding on to it too difficult and the hands slide off too easily. Okay, maybe there's one more pet peeve. The holes are not the standards for the racks, so if I wanted to get a dip rack attachment, I wouldn't even know where to look for the one that would fit this size. If you know where to find it, please comment below. I would appreciate it. Overall, both my husband and I are satisfied with this rack, and look at this baby.